Hi friends, welcome back to SunnyPaws and Friends. Today, something magical is waiting for us in the meadow.
Do you see that glow? What is that?
Wow! Look everyone! A Rainbow Mystery Phonics Box has appeared. Woof! Woof! Let's give it a little shake.
It's rumbling! Something's moving inside.
Here it goes. Opening in 3, 2, 1.
Pop, pop! So shiny!
Our first surprise is an apple. Apple.
I love apples!
Next is a ribbon. R, ribbon. Look, a cute elephant. E, elephant. A little fish toy. F, fish. A pencil drawing sparkles. P, pencil. And a magical unicorn. U, unicorn. And a shining star wand. S, star. You found all the sounds in the Rainbow Mystery Phonics Box. Great job, friends.
That was amazing! Let's open the next box soon.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Shine bright.